Hey guys, this is Andy again here on the Lawson Farm, and today this video kind of got inspired by my dad and several other people that I work with. We're always tying stuff down, and it drives me crazy to see somebody that doesn't use a ratchet strap right. And it happens more than you would think, but today I'm going to show you how to use a ratchet strap the proper way. So here, and this will work with any type of ratchet strap. Any ratchet strap out there on the market, they all work the same. First we got to get it out of a knot, but so you've got your end. Obviously you hook it on a secure mounting point, which we've got it. We're just going to mount it right here on the latch of this tailgate just for demonstration purposes. Alright, here is where people always mess up. Let's get this strap straight. I like to get it straight with no wrinkles, no kinks or anything like that in it. Then you've got your ratchet. Alright, now right here, your ratchet. This is what does all the work. This is the secret force behind a ratchet strap. Of course you got a hook on the end of it. And if you can see, if you ratchet it around until you get that slot right there, get that slot straight to where you can run the strap straight through it like this. You can run the strap straight through, right into that slot, right out the other side. So when you're pulling, the strap is getting pulled out the front of the ratchet strap. Pull all the way through, pull it all the way up until whatever you're tying down, you've kind of got some tension on it here. And you can use this. All right, I'm going to hook the other end over here, and you can use this piece here to sort of as like a pulley, or to. And so if you've got a load, if I'm tying down a load here, I want to pull this end, the loose end of the strap, till I get as much tension on it as I can with my bare hand. Then you'll start the ratchet. And once that ratchet comes in and grabs the other piece of the ratchet, then you start getting your pulling. Now this ratchet right here is tight. That was done properly. And as you can see here, there's not much wound up on this here ratchet. There's no excess ratcheted up on there. Now if you do the wrong way, I'm going to show you one way I see a lot of people do it. And this is not the right way to use a ratchet strap. The way I'm getting ready to show you. A lot of people will have their ratchet extended like this with the handle folded out. Then they'll take the loose end, put it up through just like we done before. However, the handle is out, and they'll pull through like this. Now, a ratchet strap will work this way. It's just not the right way. They'll go and hook it, and then look, you can't get that extra leverage there. See my ratchet come unhooked while I'm trying to do it. You can't get this thing tight. All of your tightening is going to be done as you ratchet. So in turn, you're going to get a lot of extra rounds on this ratchet strap. You can see there. That's not as bad as it could be. If we had a load on here that we were tying down that was sort of a loose load, and we really had to crank down on the ratchet strap, we would get wound up. Actually, I'll show you that too. Now, go ahead and run this back through and fix it the way it's supposed to be. Alright, so if we're tightening down a load and you keep ratcheting, one thing I always do is keep this binding straight. Keep all of that straight as it winds up. Alright, now here's what I want to show you. Never do a ratchet strap like this. Alright, You see how much I've got wound up on there? Once you wind so much strap onto this here, you start to sort of, it'll push out this mechanism, and this is what locks your strap, well, this locks your handle down. Then you've got this mechanism in here that actually locks the strap from being pulled loose. Once you get so much of excess strap bound up on here, it will begin to push against this and sort of start to open it. So once that opens, your strap's not going to lock, and it's going to try to come unhooked on you. So you don't want to do that. Be sure to always get as much of that excess out of there as you can. Pull it tight and start ratcheting once you've got the strap tight. I hope that sort of helped you out today. Like I said, it drives me insane seeing people not use the ratchet strap right. And I think that's one thing everybody should know, because everybody needs to tie down loads occasionally. And when you got your load tied down in the back of your pickup or trailer or whatever it may be, if it's not tied properly, chances are it could hurt someone else going down the highway, or even you. It could come unstrapped and something could go through the back window of your pickup, or you never know. So you want to make sure you tie your loads down properly. I hope this helps. Just a little quick tip I wanted to give. And thanks for watching, and come back next time.